In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble your chair. Clear a space on the floor, unpack the box, lay out all the parts neatly and move the box out of your way. First of all, place the gas stem into the seat and then position the base onto the gas stem. Then put the chair so that it's the right way round. Attach the arm pad to the bar with the bracket and then secure this in place with the bolt and screw. That's it! Your chair is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Watch our next video to learn how to set up your chair.